Hi, I'm Dan O'Malley from Cisco.
And I'm Rick, the radio guy.
Today we're going to show alerts. Some of our customers have asked, Rick, why don't we embed alerts into our mobile client experience, just in case something bad happens, you can notify people.
Absolutely. Well, we've done that, Dan, here on the mobile client, and I think we're going to show it working on the incident dispatch console also.
Yes, and to do a fall detection would be something like this, which will send in a fall alert to whoever's programmed to receive those recipients. So that's a fall detection. And why do you want to have a countdown? Let's say it's not an alert, you can cancel it in that time. But I didn't act fast enough, and here we have an alert.
Okay, let me pop this up here and acknowledge it.
So Rick acknowledged it on the dispatch console, and we can also acknowledge it on the other mobile clients. So that's showing a fall detection. We can also show an impact alert. And you can see once a impact alarm, which is basically tied into the accelerometer of the phone, it's going to send that impact alarm into the system. If you want to cancel it, basically have 10 seconds to cancel it. And now the impact alarm went into the system. And so we're going to acknowledge the impact and the fall detection on the dispatch console as well as on the mobile client. Now those are alerting. Again, you can set up your alert groups. You have minor alerts, major alerts, emergency alerts. So the
Correct.
Emergency alerts basically make the channel go red, and the user who initiated the alert has to clear the alerts. So you can quickly go into the settings menu here. You can go into alerts, and you can say, okay, I sent in a couple of alerts here. I want to clear it. And then you can go back into the menu and clear all the red alerts, and that'll bring that channel back to a normal blue indications. So there you see, now you're back to your normal channel, and that's seeing all the alerts in the system right from the mobile client. So Rick, I'm going to show the emergency alert when I push the red button on the side of the phone here.
Okay.
It's going to send an emergency alarm into the dispatch console.
Okay.
And to the other mobile clients that are programmed into my alert list.
Just in case anybody was wondering, I can see exactly who this is because I've got the talker ID, as you can see here on the screen. I can see the subjects, the emergency button press from Dano. It shows me the time the alert was received, the time it was updated, and I can clear or acknowledge or undo those clears or acknowledge in case I just wanted to make the sound go away and then had to go back and deal with it, which you might want for a notification. But
yes.
Very full-featured alerting here now.
Yeah, and the other interesting thing is we record the location, so the GPS data also gets sent in with the alarm, so you know where that person was.
That would work great, Dan, but we're inside the studio, so no GPS feed on these phones.
Yes. So that's the alerting. Again, lots of functions. We have short status messages, 4 different levels of alerts. You have the emergency alert, which put red borders on phones, different horns and whistles on the dispatch console, and also horns and whistles on the other mobile clients that you want to alert.
You know, Dan, with all this talk about the mobile client alert tones, sometimes we forget that the Instant Connect application in the IDC also has a full alert tone feature for sending out radio alert tones, you know, like you might have had in your old legacy console. So that'll stop in a second. That goes out over the radios, the dispatch, and those are used for pre-alerts for dispatching quite often too. So full alerting through Cisco Instant Connect in the 5.0 version.
Thank you for watching.